Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about a new study that has created a model of a human embryo from stem cells. Embryonic stem cells are cells that can develop into any type of cell in the body. They are often used in research to study how cells develop and to create new tissues and organs. In this study, the researchers took stem cells from adult human skin cells and reverted them into an early state with the potential to develop into different cell types. They then manipulated them to form the basis of something structurally resembling an embryo. The researchers were able to create a model that resembles an embryo at day 14. This is the stage of development when the embryo has acquired internal structures but before it lays down the foundations for body organs. The model is not an actual or synthetic embryo, but rather a model showing how one works. The researchers say the work could open the door to new ways to test the effect of drugs on pregnancies, better understand miscarriage and genetic diseases, and perhaps even to grow transplant tissues and organs. The study raises some ethical questions over the possibility of potential future manipulation in human embryo development. However, the researchers say it is important to engage and fully inform the public about this research. This is a fascinating study that has the potential to make a real difference in the lives of people. It is important to continue the research in this area and to carefully consider the ethical implications. I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching.